February 9th and it's same as Christmas Eve for New Year's. I'm in Da Nang right now and this is the last day before it's Lunar New Year tomorrow. And the whole city is bustling and vibrant tonight. I saw some lights when I was driving on the streets and I saw a stage and it seems like they set up something here by the night market, which is called Sontra Night Markets. There are so many people here. Performance was awesome, and right across from the stage and the night market is the Dragon Bridge, just straight up across the bridge, and it's looking packed with people. Wow, look at all these people and cars and scooters on the street. Everyone's out because they're celebrating the New Year. This is the riverside right beside the Han River, and right there that is the Dragon Bridge, and they have decorations set up here for the Lunar New Year. They put in a lot of efforts and time into decorating this place. It looks beautiful. I mean, look at all these flowers and all the decorations. This is the view of the riverside. It's got trees with hearts right there. I got the Marriott building with neon sign that says Happy New Year 2024. There's a statue of the lion right beside the water side. It's kind of similar to the one in Singapore. And here's a beautiful pathway that goes a little deeper into where the boats are. And wow, I didn't know that the street existed. Seems like a great place for taking photos. I just crossed the street and both sides are so busy. This is a famous coffee shop and it's completely packed with people. I'm gonna go to the other side of the river. When I was driving by earlier, I saw that there's a park and they had a lot of decorations. This is another bridge on Han River, which is next to the Dragon Bridge all the way on that side. Today is so windy. Now this is the other side of the river and they got different decorations here. They put in so much efforts along the river here on both sides. Look at these. Absolutely stunning. No way. They got setups of cherry blossom here. They're fake, but they're as beautiful as the real ones. There's a Mickey Mouse here. They really got creative and put in so much time decorating this place. How did they think about putting cherry blossom in the middle of the winter? What's going on here? And they also have the yellow ones here. Stunning. They got pictures of what this area looked like in 1980. Wow. And then this is the present, 2024. What a change. This is the tail side of the Dragon Bridge. So the head is on that side and this is the tail over here. A lot of different flowers with different colors. And look at all these balloon vendors. Earlier today I saw one of these fly into the air. I didn't see who missed it, but I feel sorry for the person who missed the whole bundle. It's so great to see a lot of families and a lot of couples hanging out, walking around along the river. I think Da Nang has done a really good job decorating the city with these walkable streets, especially along the river. And it's so nice that the river is close to the central area of Da Nang. Whereas in Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh, I would have to travel further in order for me to walk along the river or walk along the ocean. So I think in that sense, Da Nang is a city where I have better access to nature, whether that's mountains or ocean. And it's also not too much of a countryside. It still has that city vibe and it's busy, but at the same time, it also has the nature aspect, which is nice. If I was a girl, I would take hundreds of photos here. This is just one of those places where you can walk and walk and you're not gonna get bored of the scene. I'm gonna go back to where the night market is because they might still have the performances going on, and if that's gonna be amazing. In that case, I'll enjoy that until midnight, at which point I guess they will probably do fireworks. Parked at the backside of the market, and I should have came here and parked in the first place, because when I parked back there I paid 10,000 dong, which is not that much, but still, it's just the feeling of paying for it when I didn't have to. It's all free parking here. Sounds like it's getting more rowdy with rock music playing. I can't even imagine how many hours they practiced. Where it's gonna be the fireworks. I see a lot on the other side. Happy New Year! Woo! Whoa! I'm gonna see if I can walk over there. Oh, they're shooting the water too. Yes. Oh, it's shooting the water again. The people standing there are gonna be soaked. The dragon is taking a break and not shooting the water. The dragon is tired. I'm about to go back to my hotel. That was an awesome night with free performances. I was heading back to the hotel and saw this place just crowded with people. So I stopped by with curiosity of what this place is. Seems like this is a temple and all these people are making a wish for fortune and good luck for the new year. This is a beautiful temple. here who are not ready to go home yet. The fireworks came back on.
Surprised I was. I did not expect that as I was heading back to the hotel. I didn't even know that there's a temple here. Today has been just filled with surprises, pleasant surprises. I wish you guys Happy New Year. I hope amazing things will happen in this year for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.